All right, guys. Before I proceed, let me say something first. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See, this is the second time, yes, I think this is the second time that I am making this video. The first one, I see my explanation. That's serious. I've explained everything. You see, from this point, I think I started from daily. I've explained how I was able to get in on all these trades. Explain some stuff. This is where I work normal. This is my working space. You understand? You see my working space. You see the difference between this guy and then this and this. So I've been actually explaining some stuff there before my network just did the thing, the nonsense it want to do, and then so I don't have any choice. I just have to start over again. So let's get started. It's so unfortunate that I don't know how to make use of all these how to edit video, how to cut and join. I could have actually continued from where I stopped. But then, voila. Do well to subscribe. Guys, do well to subscribe. Oh. Do well to subscribe. Or I will come on your phone and subscribe myself. Just kidding. So, I started from daily time frame. We are bullish on EURUSD, right? So, you will see that market took out this low. And then we have a break of market structure here, right? A lot of people will be like, we are selling gold and we are selling EURUSD, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Let me explain the reason why we are bullish on EURUSD. This is the reason. You see that this low is protected because it took out a B leg here and then broke structure for us. Now, where is the first pullback after this break of market structure? This is the first pullback, right? Now, let's measure from this point to this point. Is this pullback up to 50%? Remember I said something when I started dropping video for you guys. I said we have complete pullback and an incomplete pullback. Remember that. So let's measure from this low to this high. Is it up to 50%? Yes or no? The answer is no, right? This is our 50%. Understood? So we still need the market to come back, even when we even extend it to the peak. It's not even up to 50% still. You see that? So that is why the market eventually come back here to pick some orders and then continue the buy to the other side. You understand my point? So that is the reason why EURUSD did this move, boom, boom, and then boom. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Now we are done with the daily time frame. Now, where is the target for this buy? This is the target. This is where we are coming. I am intraday trader, so I have to keep buying till I get to this particular high. You understand my point? So let's go to 4-hour time frame. What happened there? On my 4-hour time frame, I'm actually on a buy trade. I'm buying this guy, but it is possible I break even or take some partials. The reason is that I'm seeing some sort of trend line. Okay. So I'm seeing trend line here for trend line traders. I think they will be selling right now. Trend line traders, they'll be like, oh, this thing is selling, and then maybe they will sell to this particular point. But no, voila, I'll go and take my partial on there, or I just close the trade. It's even late already. This is 6:49. Okay. So now this is my 4-hour time frame. What can you say? You realize that market broke this point. We have a high, a low, a high, a low. When market broke this high, where is the first pullback? This is the first pullback. Let's measure. Is it up to 50%? Yes or no? No, it's not to 50%. So that makes this point what? An incomplete pullback. Understood? Good. I've already explained this guy here. I've explained for you guys. So this is my B leg, right? Now, why is market buying? Why did market buy from here? Buy from here, buy from here. Let me explain. What happened here? We have a volume violation here. We have a breaker. Market made use of something around here to buy. And then we have a break of market structure at this particular point. Guys, do well to like and subscribe. Okay. So we are done with this part now. Markets broke structure here, mitigated something. This is a liquidity point. This is a B leg here. market mitigated this B leg. I mean, it took out this inducement leg and then market bought. So where is our, let's go to let's go to 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour now. Now we have this break of market structure here, right? And where's the B leg? This is my B leg. I am expecting market to come and take this guy out. I am expecting it. That is my anticipation. But on this guy, this is what I'm expecting. At least market should take it out. But what happened? Market only moved closer to this guy and then went up, right? But when I saw this thing, I was like, what is happening? How will market be going up like this? Then I realized that there is another year that the market needs to come and pick. Don't worry, I have it before. You can be like, Bobo in January, this and that. What is this saying? This and that. Don't worry, I will show you everything. I have the screenshot of my before and after. You understand my point? So I will show you everything. So this thing is not a fluke. It happens over and over again. You understand my point? So, and shout out to Kama Akendamola. Is my, should I say, mentor or tutor? So I learned all this craft from him. So let's continue. From here now, we have this point as a threat zone. And then I'm done with my 1 hour time frame. Let's go again to, you know my favorite time frame. You know I love 5 minutes and 15 minutes. So on my 15 minutes, when I analyze this chart, I was expecting the market to come here and give me my buy. That is my anticipation because I have this point as my B leg. Inducement leg. Remember, I've explained all these points for you. I'm explaining what happened. I want to explain everything that happened there. You get? So this is my POI for buy. I am buying from here, right? So now, what can you observe? You realize that markets came all the way here and then reversed. I actually took a self trade around here. I will explain to you. I will explain all this. It's possible for this video to be long, sir. But then, should I just move to what I want to explain to you? I need you guys to understand it. So that's why I'm trying to explain the story behind all these moves. So now let's go to let me show you something on daily time on 4 hour or daily time frame. You see, we have a supply level here. That is why the market is selling off from this guy. You get my point? Let me go back to my 5-minute time frame. So when markets tap into this guy, I was able to see a buy somewhere around here. I was able to catch a buy here. And then my target was this internal liquidity. I was targeting this internal liquidity. Let me reduce the size of this, my supply level. I only explained the reason why this market started selling from here. That is why you see me mark that point. Then I had my stop loss below this guy. I was targeting this internal liquidity because I felt this is the B leg for me here. Now, when market tap into this guy, market broke structure for me. See this change of character here. And then I have this point as my B leg. So I was expecting the market to come here and then give me my sell setup. But then market did this thing. Market did not tap me in. No wala. But let me show you what market eventually did. You see that market took out these points. A lot of people will say this is what? A protected point because market took out this guy. You see how market eventually came back to take everything out. Market raided, took them out for everybody. You understand my point? So a lot of people will say this is what? Change of character. And then a lot of people are trying to take a buy trade from here. They will say this is their what? Inducement leg, their B leg. You see what market did? The big boys, they are very crazy. They came, started buying, just to fake out a lot of people. Meanwhile, all they came to do is to take out an internal liquidity here. So I wasn't able to catch this sell, but I was on this. Now, let me proceed. When market came here, they'll be like, wow, we are buying. Then they have another demand level somewhere around here. They want to buy again from here. You understand my points? So when market broke this point for me, these points, this is my change of character. Excuse me. I have this point as my change of character, as my choke. So I am expecting the market to come back here later. Maybe not now, later in the future. Market will come back. So that was the reason why I marked out this guy when I was studying on Sunday. Then, that same last week, market gave confirmation for people that were trying to take a buy trade here. See what happened. Market broke this point, broke this high, broke this high. So a lot of people are what? They are trying to buy from here because market has already given them their confirmation for the what? For the buy. And what do you think they are targeting? They will be targeting this high, right? But market eventually took them out. You see, when market took them out, that is why I was able to catch my own sell trade around there on 3-minute time frame. Go to your 3-minute time frame. Investigate what happened here yourself. Check it out yourself. You will see what I'm saying. You will see an institutional candle here. So that's why I was able to get in on this sell. Right? So I got my first sell entry somewhere around here. Then I was targeting this, my 15 minutes internal liquidity. And market chopped my highs. Right? So on my 15 minutes, let's see what happened there. Network to the barrier. Oh my God. Network, oh please. I'm not sure I'm continuing this video today. Okay. So now on my 15-minute time frame, I realized that we have another block here. So I felt market will sell from this guy because I marked this point out as my B leg, or is it here or here? Somewhere around these two guys, yeah. Maybe here. Okay, this was the first pullback after the break of structure. I marked this point out as my B leg. I was expecting sell, and I hit stop loss here. So I missed out on this. I missed out on this sell and on this sell. See what the market did. Market gave me confirmation on my 5 minutes as if it wanted to sell. Market trapped me. It manipulated me. Took my money. See what happened. Market took out a low. So this point is protected. Market broke structure. Took out this low. This low is protected. Right? The market broke this high. And then gave me change of character to the sell side. Immediately I saw this, I was like, oh more, I don't have my money back, because I did not break even on this trade and I did not take partial. I don't know, I'm too greedy. If you are greedy, don't be greedy. So let me continue. Now, at this particular point, even if I target 1:10, is this not okay? What am I looking for? 1:10. Imagine risking $50 on this trade. That's not bad. Risk $10. You are making $10. Risk $10. You are making $100 on this trade. Risk any amount, you will see times 10 of it. I didn't close it. I didn't take partial. I really fucked up. I won't lie to you. But I've already investigated the reason why this market actually bought from here. In case I see this thing next time, I won't miss it. I swear to God. I won't miss it. I won't miss it. So now, markets manipulated me. I was trying to take, I actually took a sell here. At this point, I had my entry here. I put my stop loss there and I was targeting that low. You know where I was targeting? Market took me out. I was so annoyed. I revenge trading, to be sincere. So I had when market broke this point, I have this point as my liquidity leg. I then went to 3-minute time frame to see if I can get a smaller order block that I can buy from. Then I realized that I have this particular point here. So I had my buy here, stop loss here, target 1:2. Okay, even to the high itself is even up to 103. You understand? Then let me go back to my right time frame. So I mark this guy out again. I was trying to take another buy here, but then I closed because it's getting late, and it was actually on Friday. Market will close on Friday. I was targeting the high, but then I was targeting the high. Let me show you. Let me see by. I think I have already saved this. Let me save this by. Let me save this by you. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it? This is it. I hope you can see it. Look at it very well. I'm coming on. So, can close your trade. I'm seeing trend line liquidity. Forex. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So I actually, you see the two other blocks I marked out. I was waiting for a buy here, and then I was actually waiting to take another buy here. I will explain this part for you too, for you. So let me go back to my charts. So I was able to no, I didn't take this buy, remember. So, but when market opened on Monday, during Asian section, I'll be what session, I don't know. Market took out this point, and then took out this low. That is when I know that this point is protected. So I am selling. And if I am selling, I'll be selling to take out this my friend that took my money. And then I mark this point out as my order block in which I want to buy from. This is it. Let me show you again. Okay. Oh, yes, that's good. Look at something here. See this thing. Can you see? I want you to see this thing. Have you seen this? Can you see this buy? This buy here. It was later that I was actually planning to buy from year to year to take out this high. Then I saw something in the market. That is why I changed. I changed my bias here. I changed my bias there. You see? I changed my bias. Let me see. Let me see if I can send it. There is a particular clearer chart. But then let me continue my explanation. I will show you before the end of the Zoom. I will show you before the end of the Zoom. I think I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere. Where are you? Where are you hiding? Where are you? Where are you? I have it on my phone. I don't know where it is. But then, no, Allah. Let's proceed. Ooh, where are you, Bobo? Okay, no problem then. So, then, I have my change of character here. My choke. Then, I realized, a lot of people are trying to buy here. What happened there? Can you see what happened there? So, it was the same thing that happened here that I said they manipulated me, right? And remember, I then pick my buy below here. So where do you think I'll be selling from here? I'll be selling this guy from here. I hope you are enjoying it. You see what happened? What I just showed you now. That's a very powerful tool, a powerful scope. Go and backtest it, guys. You see what happened here? Same thing happened again. Yeah. You they feel me? So let me proceed. I'm even revealing some secrets. And we are not subscribing. Yeah, we are not subscribing. Okay. So I got myself a sell entry here. Though I didn't enter, I was like, let me watch out. Maybe this market is trying to buy from here. But then I realized that market broke this point. Then I was like, oh, more, this is my setup. I need to take this sale. I got my sell entry somewhere around there. Very clean trade. Where do you think I'll be targeting? I targeted this low. Oh, sure, pan. It's very clean, right? That was my first entry, if I want to show 11. Very sweet. Then I got myself a second entry here. I got myself second entry here. I got myself another entry here. Oh my God. A lot of people don't believe this thing when I posted it online. This is not a fluke. It happens over and over again. Once again, shout out to Kama. Kama Akindamola, in case you don't know. Okay. You see that? You see this setup now? Let me show you. So that you won't be like, maybe the guy he edited it. Can you see? This was my first sell. You see where I was targeting? Can you see? This was my second sell. Can you see it? You see where I target again? Same point. See the third one. I draw the line. I made use of a confluence there. You see, market came back and then sold off. Right? You see again, I was expecting a buy here. Are you feeling me? I was expecting a buy here. Okay, this is where I was actually this is where I said I was expecting a buy. This point. Can you see? Can you see how it went up? This is not a fluke. Oh. Let me go back to my chart. Now, another sell entry somewhere around here, even though I was asleep when all these things happen. Another sell entry here. Uru. It's happened maybe during the midnight. This should give you like 1:5 or 1:4. Yes, 1:4. So, ó ti lọ nìyẹn. Imagine catching this sweet 1:11, 1:6, 1:9. Oh my God. How much are they selling Lambo, guys? All right. Okay. So when this thing happened, we got in another buy here. We got another buy entry here. I've already showed you. I was targeting this internal liquidity. Now, let me show you what happened. Why do you think I targeted this internal liquidity? This is it. I have A, B, and then C. I've explained to you guys. The market came back here, took out everybody that are selling here, and then sold off. Let me show you. Oh, lower. Okay, O1 B buy. Can you see it? Can you see where I target? Can you see this internal liquidity? If you measure from this guy to this guy, you will see. Oh, equal. Can you see it? Internal liquidity. Can you see it? Now, we are done with that aspect. Right? Then we can enter again here, got ourselves in this sell trade. Right? Where do you think I'll be targeting? I'll be targeting this guy. I'll be targeting this guy. It has already happened. On ye. What is it TP now? You understand? So, what can you see again? Then, for my confirmation entry, I marked out this guy here. I was trying to take a sell around here. I think it was around here. Let me see. It's around. Yeah, around here. I don't know. Let me check my Telegram again. Okay, good. No, no. Can you see it? Can you see it? Take another cell here. Let me show you. It's around here. Where again? No? Okay, I think it's around here. Maybe around here, sir. Abi? Is it around here? Abi? I don't know. But you shall see another cell here. But then, for people that missed out, I sent another entry again to the. I'm actually in a group. So I sent this cell again around here. Let me show you. So she must send this you by. Oh, yes, this is it. Can you see it? Okay, this was today. Okay, can you see now? Can you see where I marked out? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. So we got ourselves another entry here. See how sweet everything, everything is very sweet, fluffy. Got ourselves another sell entry here. Right? We got ourselves a buy somewhere around here. Even though I wasn't on the charts. Target these points. So you understand my point? Now, I have this point again as my liquidity point. Remember, I'm selling. The market gave me confirmation. I took my trade. Very simple. Another sell here. Target the same low. The market wants to do some shakara. Market did some shakara here to scare me. But then, a robodo. We got ourselves another sell here. Very clean. It's actually a very sweet trade. Let me show you. In fact, I'm supposed to go and print this thing. Can wallpaper. Oh my God. Can you see that? This sell, another sell here. Target the same low. This is the result. Imagine a buy, a sell, a sell, a sell, Very clean trades. Very clean. So that is all on this. I mean, that is all for today. That is all for today. And then, remember I said I'm actually in this buy. I use direct entry for this buy. But I've closed my trades. I close in negative. It's late already. If market go and close, a market is still dancing around my stop loss. A market open, the spread, spillage, they will come out my money. So it is very much possible for. Now let me show you my anticipation, what I'm actually expecting from this guy. What I'm expecting from this guy. There is one POI here. This is B leg liquidity point. If this guy fail, I'm just showing you, my anticipation. Okay, so this market now, this possible market come here, do something like this. I will take my sell here. Oh, network to the salon here. Is that network? No. That's even the end of the class. Let me just save as. Okay. Okay. Still working. So if this happen, I'll be taking my sell around here. That is my anticipation on EURUSD for now. Because as I'm saying it, that 4-hour candle is very strong. Village. Very strong. So imagine targeting this low. That's about 1:9 now. Not bad. Let me check 4-hour time frame. So I'll be targeting this low. Because look at this 4-hour. This thing is very bullish. It's very strong. And then this is trendline liquidity here. I did not even check it. This is trendline liquidity. So this low is not safe. Everything here is liquidity. Everything here is liquidity. So it is very much possible to get a sell here. And then I actually have a POI for ping pong for people that want to do that. I have a POI somewhere around here. Where is it? Where are you? I have a POI here for sell. I have another one. I mean for buy for just short retracements. I have another one, maybe somewhere around there, sha. You understand my point? So that is my expectation now on EURUSD. On EURUSD. And if that didn't happen, I shall know I will catch the trade tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. So that is all for today's class. That is all. Let me show you on my see my charts. See my charts. See how everything. See it. See. Very clean. Okay. So that is all for today. That is all for today. You see, I was actually buying this guy. Let me check now. 100. I was expecting us to come here, but Nas is still doing his thing. So that is all for today. That is all for today. That is all for today. All right, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents. You understand? So I love you guys.